Welcome to Chalkboard Academy. Do subscribe, like, and share. Please do subscribe and please do comment that any one of the topics that I have not uploaded yet and you need them badly. I assure you that as soon as possible I will upload them. Okay. Now today we are going to start that what is accounting treatment of goodwill. First of all, that what is goodwill? Goodwill is nothing but is the reputation of the firm. Reputation of the firm, why important for us? Simple that way. If the reputation or the goodwill of the firm is increased, indirectly your profit of the firm going to increase. How it will works? Say example, if I'm talking about, say I have run a coaching center, and this coaching center now only fresh coaching center, okay, fresh one, just I have started. My profit definitely always is less, but when time was passes and that service also I am providing good, definitely my business, or can say that my coaching center name will go up. So indirectly, what if the coaching center name will go up, that my reputation also go up. Reputation go up, that means of what? The profit also will go up. Understood the point what I'm talking? So
Yes, sir.
indirectly, that goodwill is a very important, can say, assets of the company, were directly related to your profit. Just now you think about that when a new partner coming in, when a new partner that entering into a firm, okay, so the firm definitely will take some of the money from the person, right? because
Yes,
because of my firm is not new, when that you only started a business, that time what happened, that remember that this is actually we already entered in the partnership, that is admission of a partner, okay.
mm,
Already we have started admission of a partner. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is admission of a partner. Admission of a partner is nothing but what? Two partners were there. That point already we have seen, I think, before, that one partner is very good in management and all that things. So that time I thinking about that partner C will enter to the partnership firm, correct? So this partner C will admitted by consent of the both the person. Clear? So that is known as the admission. Correct. You understood this concept what I'm talking.
yes, sir.
So now partner C coming in. Just you take a look here faster. If
Mm,
partner C coming in, definitely A and B will ask some of the money from partner C as in the form of capital. Correct or not?
yeah, sir.
And partner C will give some of the amount of goodwill also. Now why this point, this amount also the partner C will give? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Think about that when the partners A and B started the business 5 years back or 6 years back, that time partners A and B struggled lot, really struggle lot for that business reached that level. Now the business is, correct or not?
Yeah,
So some year it might be there in before they got loss also. Some year they got very less profit also. Correct or not? Now
yeah,
after 5 years, that the reputation of the firm is very good. Now when the C just
mhm,
enter, after entering only that C going to get lots of profit. That how
yeah,
equal with them the partners A and B receiving. Got or no?
yeah, I understood.
So at that time, that this stage, coming to this stage, the business has done lots of things. That means that both old partners have done lots of things to reach of that goodwill. So that's why when the C coming, A and B ask capital for the firm. So that amount for the firm. But when that C giving any money extra than the capital in the form of goodwill, that goodwill for the partners. Did you get the point
Uh,
what I'm talking?
yes, sir.
Why this is for partners? Because of reaching of this point, the partners only have done lots of struggle. Got the point? So
Hmm.
that's why these are the money will go to the partners, not to the firm. I hope clear.
Yeah, sir.
This point is very, very important. Later we will see that how that profit, that goodwill and all the thing will distribute. Okay, calculation of goodwill also part are there. Now you think about that. When any partner, think about what I'm talking. When any partner new coming in, introducing capital, normally introduce of capital journal entries is what you have seen already in this class 11, right? When journal entries contribution of capital, what the entry you are writing? Capital entry.
Partners account debit.
uh,
Or capital account debit to partners. Bank account.
Bank account debit or cash account debit to capital account, like that will be there.
Yeah.
So now you think about that, when the new partners contributing some cash in the form of capital as well as goodwill. So what the entry I should write? Cash account debit to, say example, C's capital account and to goodwill account. Correct or not?
Hmm. Hmm.
Understood the situation?
Yeah.
This goodwill again distributing to whom? To the
The
partners.
old partner.
Yes, to the old partner. So second entry, if you thinking about what should be second entry, simple, this goodwill account debit to old partners capital account,
Yeah.
old partners capital account. So at that place, A's capital account or B's capital account, like that would be.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? You understood this concept?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. After that, if they have withdrawn that goodwill, that again that should be in another point of view. We'll see that things how to deal with that. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
that I hope these things you understood. This entry you should not see now. This gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio, when we calculate it and when we are finding that find these things, then only we can show this how these gaining partners or can say will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How the partners capital account debit to partners capital account debit to coming, that I will see. Okay or no?
Okay, sir.
This point we'll see. Okay, don't see now, you will be confused after this. This you understood, right? This you understood.
Yeah.
Yes, be up to this. One more entry is there, that entry after making the ledger only I will tell you, otherwise it will be confused. Okay. Next is that what? Revaluation of assets and reassessments of liabilities. Can you tell me what is that revaluation? Just normal vocabulary word. If I am asking you, what is revaluation?
Revaluation. Like you reevaluate the asset value.
Okay. What we are doing here now? We are doing what? Admission of partner or changing profit sharing ratio. Correct or not? Think
Yes,
about what
sir.
I'm talking. Admission of a partner or changing profit sharing ratio. Now you
Ratio.
think about that. If changing profit sharing ratio or admission of a partner, both the condition that some of the partners will going to pay some amount and some of the partners going to receive some amount. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Because of some are sacrificing, some are gaining. Simple.
Meaning.
If you're talking about that admission, definitely the person who is going to come right in the firm, that means the partners is admitting, so the admitted partner definitely will going to receive later. Correct or not? That is profit sharing ratio, the person going to receive, that is gaining. Clear?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
But the old partners who were already there, they are going to pay that money. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So if they are going to pay that money, definitely that can say pay that ratio, pay that ratio. They are pay that ratio. So their ratio, if they are paying or giving on behalf of the new partner, definitely they are sacrificing. Correct or not? Just you listen.
Hmm.
If partner A and B, C coming in, partners A and B before distributing rupees 100 rupees 1 is to 1. Think about what I'm talking. 1 is to 1. Now 100 rupees distributed 50 rupees and here 50 rupees. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now, when the new partners coming, again, that profit sharing ratio should be 1 is to 1 is to 1. Three partners are there, correct?
Hmm.
Now, three partners, if it is there, now 100 rupees, if it is distributing, A going to get how much? 100 into 1 by 3. So
Oh.
33.3. So
Yeah,
this
three.
amount going to get. Before A getting what? Out of 150 rupees. Now how
15
much
is
getting? 33.3.
33.3.
That means that amount A sacrificing for C. Got the point?
Yeah.
Before C was
Having
not
three.
getting any amount, but now C also going to get how much? 33.33 amount.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way to find out the sacrificing or gaining. I hope you understood that gaining and sacrificing how. So old partners
Yes, sir.
sacrificing and new partners gaining their ratio. Correct.
Gaining. Yes, sir.
And for the calculating of the gaining and sacrificing, we are using one formula, that is old ratio minus new ratio or new ratio minus old ratio. Correct or
Old
not?
history. Yes, sir.
Just a second. Convert into
Yes.
decimal form. 47143.3 so point zero you have taken. Yeah, correct. Right. Yeah. So I hope you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now partner C coming in or changing profit sharing ratio, where that some partners is getting something, some partners sacrificing something. Definitely, what is going on, that if the partner C coming, C will going to contribute some of the money in the form of capital. Correct or not?
Hmm.
Now C asking to you, if I am contributing capital, A and B told that you give 5 lakh rupees as in a form of capital. How that C will give that thing 5 lakh rupees simply without calculating that all of the money and all the things, just simply that you are giving that 5 lakh rupees? Is that making sense?
Hmm. No.
Business value is 1 lakh rupees, say example, and you are asking from
Hmm.
C 5 lakh rupees in the form of capital. C will give for that. C will not give.
Hmm.
So for that purpose, C will ask first, what is your business valuation? Business valuation in the sense of what? What is your net worth? What
Yeah.
what that amount of money you have in that form of fixed assets? What the amount you form in the liabilities? That means do that your all assets total and liabilities total and show me that actually balance sheet total of your company how much. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now that I have purchased a machine, okay, 4 years
Mm-hmm.
back, that machine rate was 2 lakh rupees, and I kept in the balance sheet machine value is 2 lakh rupees, right? And I'm
Yeah.
showing Mr. C. Mr. C, come here and see, this is my balance sheet. This balance sheet, that my balance sheet total is 10 lakh. 10
Okay.
lakh. Okay, that value of the machines and all the things, what? 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, like that. Okay, liability
Yeah.
side also I have shown like that. So value of that
Hmm.
balance sheet is 10 lakh rupees. Now C is asking that machinery value is 2 lakh is there. That is book value. Indirectly what? That machine you have purchased, it might be long back. If that machine